Shalom, shalom, shalom. I want to show you this, tropical storm, but look at the storm above it that goes from New Mexico all the way to the end of Canada. Man, this is a big ass storm. It's stretched. Look how far it's stretched out from here. Look, a band of storms from here for New Mexico, right? It's going down though. They're going down. And these are going with it stretched from Cleveland from Buffalo, New York, Syracuse to Canada. Look how far, all the way to the end of above Nova Scotia, Prince Edward Island. Man, I bet there's some stuff on this island right here, man. People don't even know about. Look, Newfoundland. There's probably all type of grizzly bears and unknown species, and these Canada got some vast land that people don't even be at, man. People don't even go to, man. Look at it, and then look at Hurricane Nicholas. I'm sorry, Tropical Storm Nicholas. This storm kind of moving slow too. If you see it. Okay. Sorry about that. Gotta give me another damn phone. They've been these apps been freezing, the phone been freezing up. And Tropical Storm Nicholas is it's bringing rain to New Orleans. Look at that. Oh yeah. All right. Just want to share this with y'all guys. Atlanta's about to get some rain from Tropical Storm Nicholas, and it should travel to the East Coast as well. All right. God bless. Shalom.